A video's creation is only half the fight. You also need a venue to post them to make them available to your audience. Knowing how to build a YouTube channel is crucial to getting started on your path because YouTube is the most widely used video hosting platform. 2 clicks to upload and publish a video are insufficient. To ensure that your channel represents your company in the best possible way, you need also be familiar with the inner workings of the YouTube platform. Everything you need to know about starting a YouTube channel will be covered in this video. Watch the video till the end, and if you enjoy such content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell icon to never miss another upload of ours. Let's begin. You may start the process of launching your channel by following some steps. By strictly following our guidance, you can create a professional YouTube channel that presents your company or group in the best light. First, start with creating your account. Visit youtube.com and sign into your Google account to get started. This straightforward initial step puts you on the right track. You must have a working email address directly connected to your YouTube account to create an account. This first forces you to choose, is this a personal or professional YouTube account? Your choice of the email address will depend on your response. You should consider your YouTube profile's goal before creating your account. Think about the issues like, what kinds of videos are you going to publish? Who do you want to be among your subscribers? And what presentation do you want to make? You may use your own email to set up a YouTube account for yourself. For example, use your work email or a general corporate email like info@companyname.com to set up a business YouTube account. When you visit youtube.com and log in using your email, you'll see that your channel is already active. Next, update channel name and description. The description of your channel should be customized first. Then, when visitors search for your channel name on YouTube, this is displayed on your About page and in the search results. Click the Basic Info tab, type your desired description, then press the Publish button to add a description to your channel, top right corner. What are the best practices for channel description? Use the advice while writing your channel description. Make careful to describe your channel in the first 150 characters. The first 150 characters are crucial. This is often what appears in YouTube search results. Think of this as your channel's meta description. The first 150 characters are displayed in Google search results for queries relating to your brand in addition to YouTube search results. Employ keywords. Using keywords in the channel description is advised, but not excessively. Search engines may determine what your channel is about by simply mentioning the keywords you want it to rank for a few times in the description. Consider the keywords viewers would use to locate your YouTube channel and include them in your material. An extra benefit is placing the keywords as high in the material as possible. Encourage viewers to subscribe. Even though you are only permitted to add text to the description box and not any links, you can still ask viewers to subscribe to your channel. Include additional calls to action or even provide your website URL. Write a fascinating description. It doesn't have to be extensive. Still, it should be enough for your keywords to appear organically in the text and for people to be interested in or follow your content. Click the About tab on your favorite YouTube channels to gain some inspiration for how to make your description stand out. Now, upload your profile photo and logo. It's now time to concentrate on branding your page to appropriately represent your business or personal account. The photo, banner image, and video watermark are the 3 crucial branding assets that must be uploaded. You want your YouTube channel to reflect your brand. As a result, this stage is essential to assuring that your digital sites convey the same message. For passive viewers, channels with high-quality images for their banners, picture, and watermark appear more welcoming and professional. They can be drawn in by a catchy banner or profile photo and remain to watch some of your videos. Click the branding option in the navigation bar at the top of the page to submit these photos. For your image, you should provide a crisp, high-quality logo that is at least 98 by 98 pixels and doesn't exceed 4 megabytes in size. A PNG file for upload is advised. How to create YouTube channel art? Your header picture is another crucial component of your YouTube channel. You should think about how you may develop your brand and build on the kind of image you selected for your profile picture when choosing your banner image. For example, use a picture or a unique graphic design to promote your brand. This image will be shown above your profile photo on your page. The image must be at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and under 6 megabits in size. How to create a logo for your YouTube channel? Think about the image or logo that will symbolize your channel. Every website that hosts your video, as well as any comments you make, will have it. Use programs like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator to start creating. Use a site like 99 Designs to crowdsource the design if you're not interested in doing it yourself. Next, it's time to upload your videos. Finally, it's time to submit your first video. The primary event on your YouTube page is this. After all, only if your page features interesting video content will your audience visit it. Thank goodness, uploading a video is a straightforward process. First, save your video clip to a location on your computer that is simple to find. It may be in your Downloads folder, Documents folder, or even on your desktop. The fact that you can access it with a few clicks is all that matters. Return to your channel and select the Create button in the screen's bottom right corner. When you click the Create button, a screen allowing you to choose the file you wish to upload will appear. To find the video clip you just saved to your computer, click Select Files. The upload to YouTube will then start immediately. It simply takes a few minutes to complete the upload portion of the procedure. However, the actions taken following the upload, such as optimization, are crucial. After that, optimize your videos. If no one can locate your video, what use is it to submit it? The amount of video content on YouTube is billions of minutes, so you need to make sure that yours is both distinctive and simple to find. Making sure your films are correctly categorized is essential if you want them to appear in YouTube's extensive search results for relevant keywords. You should invest the necessary effort to ensure that you rank highly on YouTube, much like SEO professionals invest time in ranking on Google. Why? After Google, YouTube is the second largest search engine worldwide. They also own YouTube. To ensure your target audience can discover you, include the appropriate keywords in your title, description, and tags. Otherwise, you won't show up early enough in the listings. All your difficult efforts in filming, creating, and editing films will be in vain if you don't take this crucial step. Navigate to the following section of your upload screen to start the optimization process. A details screen appears when you proceed with the upload and invites you to provide the title, description, and thumbnail. Additionally, you may include a variety of video components, such as cards with text-based features, an end screen, and subtitles. Your title and description must include the keywords you're aiming for. You should concentrate on these two premium real estate locations. What are the ideal keywords, though, you might be wondering? You may utilize a variety of software applications that specialize in YouTube SEO. For instance, two programs specifically designed for YouTube, vidIQ and TubeBuddy, can assist you in choosing the keywords you ought to target for the kind of material you produce. Of course, you may also use standard Ahrefs. You may use these tools to help with your video content strategy. For example, you could come across some targetable phrases and tags that you can use as inspiration for your upcoming video. Finally, upload your first video. It's time to start adding top-notch material to your YouTube channel now that you've built and optimized it to interact with your viewers and consumers. Simply click the Create button in the upper right corner and choose the files you want to upload. For example, select your video file, then alter the default parameters. Here's an example of an optimized video description. Thumbnails for a video. YouTube search results display video thumbnails, which should be appealing and represent your video and channel well. It is advisable to develop a thumbnail theme and use the same design and color scheme for your films to build brand recognition. Let us know your views in the comments below.